In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a GIF in CapCut on PC, step by step, in a quick and easy way. This is perfect if you want to turn a short clip into a shareable GIF for social media, messages, websites, or just for fun. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a video imported, great. If not, go ahead and create a new project and add the clip you want to turn into a GIF. The key here is to choose a short section that looks good as a looping animation, because GIFs work best when they are short, smooth, and visually clear. Once your clip is in the timeline, edit it if needed and trim it down to the exact section you want. You can drag the edges of the clip to shorten it, or split the video and remove any extra parts. Keeping the clip concise will help the GIF load faster and look cleaner when shared. After trimming the clip to the desired length, take a moment to preview it and make sure the section loops well. A good GIF usually starts and ends in a way that feels natural, so the transition looks seamless. When you're happy with the clip, look to the top right corner and click Export. This will open the Export panel, where you'll set up the GIF output settings. In the Export panel, you'll want to uncheck the standard video and audio options. This is important because you're not exporting a regular video file here. You're creating a GIF, so those standard output settings are not needed. After that, scroll down until you find the option that says Export as GIF, and check that box. Once you enable it, CapCut will switch the export format to GIF mode. From there, choose your desired resolution. If you want a smaller file size, go with a lower resolution. If you want better quality and sharper visuals, choose a higher resolution. Just keep in mind that higher resolution can make the GIF file larger, so it's all about finding the right balance for your needs. After selecting the resolution, double-check your settings one more time, then click Export. CapCut will now process your project and create the GIF file for you. Depending on the length and quality of the clip, it may take a moment to finish exporting, but once it's done, your GIF will be ready to use and share. And that's it! You've now created a GIF in CapCut PC. It's a simple process once you know where the export settings are, and it's a great way to repurpose video clips into quick, engaging content. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.